Hello, it's me again. I'm here to create a new video, well, another video even. Um, we don't need that, we don't need that. Basically what I'm going to tell you is how you can speed up your computer. When you browse the internet, you get temporary files saved on your computer, and they can use up memory, but they do actually make your web pages view up faster, but they actually can slow down your computer. Now you can actually delete these temporary internet files that it saves onto your machine. Now, there's a few places where they get saved to, and I'm going to tell you a few, but obviously I can't tell you them all because some of them can't be accessed due to over privileges, as you have to have police knowledge to actually access the files. This is why they catch pedophiles. You can't actually wipe everything, but you can wipe some data that is freeing up loads of space. And basically, how you access this data is press window key R and then type in prefetch. That's basically what you call temporary files. This is just rubbish. So literally there'll be nothing you need in it. I mean, I know it's only 5 megabytes, but that's 5 megabytes, isn't it? It's just rubbish. Right. So you can clear that for a start. That's just rubbish. You want to do this on a regular basis, by the way. Also, if you run again, or window key R if you're on Vista or 7, or if you just want to type in run or whatever, you can also type a percentage mark temp and then do a percentage mark and then click enter. Now these are all temp files, as you can see. TMP, they're all just temp files. Although it's got registry files in, it's no use. It's rubbish. And there's half a gig in there of temporary files. That's going to save up me a load of memory. So delete them all, and then I've just freed up my memory. Well, it can't delete cam recorder because obviously I'm recording, unfortunately. But so unfortunately I can't show you delete them all, but I can show you deleting a few. But as you can see, I'm using Camtasia Studio, which a friend recommended to me, and they're basically them files. So I've saved up quite a few memory, and now let's see how much there is in there. There was 500 megabytes, so I've saved about 13. So I've saved about still 400 or so megabytes, or 500. I can't remember how much was in there. Right. Now also, if you go to start, click my computer. This will be on the same on Windows 7 and Windows Vista if you've upgraded. And then go to C drive, and then go on to that's rubbish as well. If you've got a folder called temp, clear that folder out. Don't clear the actual folder temp because you need that. Right, go on to Windows, and then you'll get all this. Well, you won't get all of them because I'm viewing them. I'm viewing hidden files which you can't normally see because I'm pretty advanced with computers. Now, also, you'll see a temp folder here. Now, this is rubbish in here. There's 20 megabytes of rubbish, so that can all go. By the way, do this on a regular basis, right? And then right-click your computer, and then click Properties. No, sorry, I was mistaken. Right, click my computer, and then right-click C drive, then click Properties, and then you'll see an option called Disk Cleanup. If you click it, it'll calculate some. It'll calculate basically rubbish that you've got on the computer. Now, while that calculates, I'll show you another thing that you can do. You can basically, this should be the same for the higher operating systems, which I did have on here, but I downgraded due to compatibility issues. You should have disk defragment, which is a good way of cleaning up files that are basically fragments. And this will clear up the drive and put them all together and free up space and make things run more smoothly. Now this usually takes a long time. As you can see, I'm using an NTFS drive, not SAR. If you don't know what the difference is, you might want to use Google because I'll be forever explaining. But yeah, this will take a long time. So yeah, I'd recommend doing this on a night when you can leave your computer on, because this can take a lot, especially if you've got a lot of data. I mean, I've only got, keep doing that. I've only got I've only got about 85 gig, so I've only used a couple of gig, which is not bad, but I've only just cleaned Windows. I don't know why that's taking ages, but it's taking ages. So yeah, I'd recommend doing that. You can also get stuff such as CCleaner and all these registry cleaners. Now they are good, don't get me wrong, but most of them you have to pay for. Oh, it's finding them. Right, as you can see, I've got a load of stuff in my recycle rig, so 10 files have gone here. Now, I've got a gigabyte. Let's see how much else I've got. I've cleared up nearly a gig. So remember, let's prove it here. 85. Remember 85. See at the left, 85.8. Remember that. Now let's clear up all this. Wait for it to clean it all. It shouldn't take too long, but I'll keep chatting so you don't bore yourself. But yeah, these registry files, but you want to be careful that you don't download malware, because it could come up with a load of registry files that need cleaning, and it could get you to buy the product, which you don't really want. But you shouldn't really encounter that problem, but only if you go onto like untrusted websites. But you should always check out the good websites. Like for example, a good website is called AVG TuneUp, which is a registry cleaner basically, and it tunes up and optimizes your internet speed, and it also does all this for you. However, I'd recommend doing this on a regular basis. Right, that's just cleaned, so you go onto computer again, and as you can see, it's cleared up more, because I did have 85, now I've got 86. So yeah, and that's how you can basically clean up your computer and make it run more quicker. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I hope your computer runs more smoothly after you take these procedures. Thank you.